welcome to my channel. I'm Manika, and in case you're watching me for the first time, I make videos related to beauty and makeup. If you're interested in watching such content, please subscribe to my channel. Today's video is really interesting. I'm gonna show you 6 ways in which you can use a lipstick. Obviously we use it on our lips, but what are the other ways to utilize it? It's a really fun video, so keep on watching. So I'll be starting for what we use a lipstick, that is our lips. For that, I'm taking the Nykaa Liquid Matte Lipstick in the shade 01 Bombay. It's a beautiful nude brown shade and really comfortable on the lips. The texture is very liquidy and it takes around a minute or 2 to settle completely matte. Okay, so now the lipstick is completely set. Did you know that you can use a lipstick for contouring your face? I'm taking the shade Resilient Raisin from L'Oreal, as it's a beautiful brown shade and I thought it's perfect for contouring. As it's really pigmented, I'm just dotting it and I'm taking this dense blending brush to blend my contour. I'm using a cream lipstick because it is easier to blend it in, and you can pick up any brown shade that suits your skin tone. Not bad, right? The third way that you can utilize your lipstick is by doing your eyebrows. I'm using the shade Cocoa Rich from Soul Tree. It's a beautiful brown shade which I think is perfect for doing my eyebrows. I'm taking an angled brush and I'll be doing my eyebrows with this. Obviously the shade is not exactly my brow shade. I do not wear black or very dark brown lipstick. If you have a darker shade lipstick, you can absolutely use that. So what do you think of these brows, huh? You can totally use a pink lipstick as a blush. I'm using the Color Bar Diva lipstick in the shade Dress to Impress. I'll be tapping this just on the apple of my cheeks and blending it up. If you feel that the blush is really overpowering, you can use the same brush that you use to apply a foundation to just tone it down. Next, I'll be using a lipstick as an eyeshadow. For that, I'm using the Lakme 9 to 5 Weightless Matte Mousse Lip and Cheek Color in the shade Pink Blush. It's a poppy pink shade. I'm gonna use it for my lower lash line. I'm using a small smudging brush for this. And that's it. This one is my favorite. You can absolutely use a lipstick as your eyeliner. I'm using the Wet n Wild Liquid Catsuit lipstick in the shade Nice to Fuchsia. I hope I'm able to create the look that is in my mind right now. That is a really big wing crossing my lid. I'm using the small precise brush to draw a big winged liner. Pick up a liquid matte lipstick which is non-transferable and sets matte and use it as an eyeliner. And this is the finished look. If you like the final look, hit the like button right now. I just love how my eyes are looking. They're shouting bold, beautiful, vibrant, bright. I added some kajal to give my eyes some contrast and the sharp look. And I've used the Maybelline Big Shot mascara on my lashes. I'm so obsessed with this mascara. Like, since I've got this, I'm only using this. This is my new favorite. Nobody can say that I'm only wearing lipsticks as makeup on my face, can you? Like, who said you need 10 different things to do makeup? All you need is lipsticks, and more lipsticks. Also, comment down below which was your favorite part of utilizing the lipstick. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next week.